Welcome back to Cali Valley.
Today we're at Bishop's Pumpkin Farm for opening day, so come with us.
Ellie, you gonna go pick some pumpkins? So the merry-go-round's open, the tire play place is open, everything seems to be open here. That's a pretty good sign. Ellie, you want to go play?
Uh-huh.
Whee! Was that fun?
Daddy, come play with me.
Okay, let's go.
Go, sister.
The train's not scary. Whoa, look at this old train. So I thought they got rid of this old train, but it looks like they just relocated it to the back area, so. Beep, beep.
So good. Oh my god. I've never had one of these.
Apple cider slushies. That's my go-to next time I come here now.
Here you go, princess. Ooh, take a bite. Oh, is it good? Are you happy? Okay, we're going to buy our train tickets. We're excited to get on. Yay.
You ready for the train?
Yay! Train time!
Bye people, see you later. So we're live on the train. We're heading past the pumpkin patch right now, and Ellie was scared to get on, but she's
loving
okay
it.
now that she's had it.
She's waving to every single person we passed by.
You guys kind of exit in either direction.
Dad needs a break, so he's heading to the bar. Let's go. So I'm here at the other side of the tracks. The way it works here is you got to get food in order to get beer here. So it's like $7 to get a personal pizza. The take-home glass comes with a double pour, so you get this extra chip. When you're done with the beer, you just bring it back and get a refill. Seriously. Sorry, Bishops, the pizza is kinda trash, but the beer's good. So we just got doing the trains, the slides, the parks, the gift shops, the everything else, and we're gonna head to the petting zoo and see how much animals we can check out. Oh no, he took the whole thing. Look at the size of this thing. would not be a Bishop's trip unless we went on the hayride and got ourselves a pumpkin for the front porch to carve later on for Halloween if it lives that long. So let's go.
From the way to find our perfect pumpkin on the porch.
The perfect pumpkin. Found it. It's definitely starting to heat up right now, so we're heading back. Gotta pay for these pumpkins and probably head home. So let's go. Well guys, it was a fun day, but it started to get pretty hot out here. So we're heading back to the car. Got our pumpkins and got our treats. So thanks guys for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Lay, 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 careful where it drops. Find a cozy way to play, lay eggs or drops.